Welcome to GS1 Australia's online training tutorials. Online training in a flash. GS1 LocateNet. Add and edit your GLNs. Once you have registered with GS1 Australia as a GS1 LocateNet subscriber, you will receive an email with a company alias, a user ID and a user password. To log in, you must have read the GS1 LocateNet Terms and Conditions of Use, which is downloadable as a PDF file, and you must tick this box to agree with these terms and conditions. Once logged in, you will be able to add and edit your GLNs. All users, except search only, can add and edit GLNs and search the log of transactions that have been completed on your GS1 LocateNet catalogue. You can also access the Auto Alerts search function, the directory search and download, and the news section. The Add and Edit function allows you to search for GLN records on your GS1 LocateNet catalogue, add new records, and edit existing records. To search for GLN records, choose to search either by status or by GLN and click on the search button. Search results will load below the search menu. You may download the search results to your computer by selecting all records or individual records and clicking on Download. You can add a GLN by clicking on this button. Adding a new GLN is done in 3 easy steps. All fields marked with an asterisk are mandatory and must be populated to move to the next step. Click Next to move to Step 2. You can return to Step 1 without losing your data should you need to check it before submitting the record. If the GLN you are adding does not fall within the range of numbers allocated to your company by GS1 Australia, or match any GLNs allocated directly to your company by GS1 Australia, this warning message will appear. You can then update the GLN value if needed. If it is legitimate for your company to be using GLNs outside of these parameters, for example your overseas head office may have allocated this GLN to your company, you can add it to your GLN catalogue. In Step 2, you can add one or more functions to your GLN. Select the function from the list and click Add. The list contains the most commonly used functions for GLNs. You may remove individual functions or all functions with the Select and Remove All buttons if you have made any errors. When you are done, click Next. You can return to this screen without losing your data. In Step 3, you create at least one or more contacts for this GLN. The contact may be a department or a person, and may have multiple contact details such as email, phone, mobile or fax. You can add multiple contact numbers as needed. You can go back to check the information you have entered in Steps 1 and 2 by using the Back button. When your data is complete and correct, click Submit. Clicking Cancel will cancel all steps for this GLN.